Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Royal, and if you're new here, welcome. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. In today's video, we're doing something very simple, minimal, and classic. Okay, so first off, I'm gonna start with parting my hair like so. Make sure your part is really well so it has a very fine lining. So we're gonna do this to the other end. And of course, I would need to oil my scalp so it wouldn't feel dry and give me some kind of dandruff. And then moving forward, I'm just gonna pack it like so, and then we'll pump this backwards. This is a very simple, effortless hairstyle. Then you have any rope or anything at all to just pack your hair like so, and then you tie it all the way to the very end. Then you have a very small ration of kinky that you'd use to just pack so the back would have volume. So I'm gonna use these and just roll up until the very end, and this is where the main work is, guys, which is very simple and easy, trust me. You would have to have your kinky and you keep rolling and rolling. Here is my patterns gel. I figured before I continue with the whole process, let me just lay down my hair properly so it stays in fits and proper. As you can see, I'm just going to use my bobby pin to just attach it from here, as you can see, then attach it to the other end as well so it stays firm because of the hairstyle we're creating again. Now you have to keep using every strand of kinky you have and just keep rolling and adding it, rolling and adding it. As you can see, I'm just rolling it up onto the very tip of it, and then I would use my bristle brush and then brush my hair so it stays laid in and laid down most properly. I gradually love this because I enjoy doing this process. You use another kinky, you keep rolling and rolling and rolling and rolling up onto the very tip and end of it, and then it's coming out beautifully. Literally, you can see. You now add another kinky again. You keep rolling and rolling and rolling to the very tip of it until you're satisfied with what you have. Literally, as you can see, it's gradually coming together. Now make sure you spread your kinky the way you've seen that I've done, so it will cover other parts of your kinky hair in case it's not beautifully laid in, as you can see. So this is coming out beautifully, guys, literally. So we're done with that part. Now the front side, we just have to part my hair like so. Make sure it's a very straight, beautiful lining. Make sure it comes out well, literally. So as soon as I'm done with this, I'm just gonna brush it, so it stays in, and now use my hair oil and just apply it to my scalp rather. So this is attachment, I just picked it. We are going to do a flat twist at the front. Make sure you pick your attachment the first time, and then you use this, and then you pick it. You keep adding it, and then you pick it, and then you twist it. It's called flat twist, okay? So you keep doing this whole process until you're satisfied. I actually picked like 6 until I was satisfied with what I wanted. I had to zoom in so you can see how it's coming in beautifully, okay? So you just have to keep doing this process. From here, I wouldn't be adding any hair again. So we just have to get rolling and rolling and rolling and rolling and rolling it, okay? More like it's twisted rather. This is a very simple hair, so I really loved how this look turned out. And as soon as I'm done, you don't really have to roll it to the very tip of it, because we're still going to roll it with the other kinky we've made. And that's it beautifully, okay? Then you just have to adjust it. Now we have to do with the other end as well. You pick your hair, you flat twist it, you pick your attachment, you pick your hair, then you flat twist it. Pay attention on how I'm doing this. Do you see how I'm packing my hair and attaching the attachment to it, and then I just flat twist it, and then I'm just making progress and going, okay? So this is a very simple hairstyle. I enjoyed making this. You just have to keep doing it up until you are satisfied with how much you've picked from the attachment. and then you just have to twist it all the way to the very end, but not really the tip, just twist it until you're satisfied, because you're still going to roll it and tongue it at the back of the kinky, that's at the back. And we are done, we are good. Okay, now from here I'm going to use my petals gel. If you can see my scalp, there's some here. I'm just going to use my petals gel and apply it. Now use my, and then I brush it. Then after which I'll now use my beautiful Cloud9 hair wax edge control. Really good and beautiful, by the way. It doesn't bring out all this white stuff. And then you style the edges to your desired styling, if that works. And as soon as you're done, you have to keep doing it. You do this, you do this, you do this until you're satisfied. So you brush and brush and brush. You just have to style your edges. I love this part because it just beautifies the whole look of the hair. So you do it until you're satisfied with what you want, after which we are done. Okay, then to the last stage of this hairstyle, we're going to spray our hair with our hair sheen oil, and this is just the final finish and the final touch. It's so beautiful, literally. After which you're done, you do some minor adjustments and we're good. Oh my goodness, what do you think about this look? Now that's what I'm talking about. Do you see how beautiful it came out? This is a very simple, elegant, classy hairstyle you can do on a very beautiful random day. I love how it came out. I love how the flat twist really brought out my face. And this hairstyle literally took me only 30 minutes max. And honestly, this is a very easy, simple hairstyle you can do, especially this holiday season. It comes out beautiful, comes out well. Let me know your favorite thing about this look. Let me know if you'll be trying this look. Let me know, rate it 1 to 10 if I killed this look or I killed this look. Let me know your thoughts about this. I really can't wait to hear your thoughts in the comment section. Do share your 2 cents and let me know what hairstyle you'd want me to make next as well. And if you enjoyed this, please let me know in the comment section and I would really love to see it. Thank you so much, guys. So all you need for this hairstyle is just kinky and attachment, that's all. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Until next time, take care.